Welcome to the installation and quick start guide for Google Antigravity, the next generation AI-powered IDE. Google Antigravity, launched in late 2025, is changing the landscape of software development. Antigravity is Google's AI-powered integrated development environment, designed for agentic software development. It allows AI agents to autonomously plan, code, and test applications, offering a revolutionary way to build software. Let's start with the first step, downloading the installer. Antigravity is available across all major operating systems. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the official Antigravity website or go directly to the download page. Select your operating system and download the correct installer, whether it's .exe for Windows, .dmg for macOS, or the appropriate Linux package. Once the download is complete, follow these specific instructions for the installation process on your machine. Regardless of your OS, you will run the installer and follow the necessary prompts to begin the installation. For Windows, run the .exe and follow the wizard. macOS users drag the icon to Applications. Linux users must set permissions to allow executing the file as a program before running the app image. After installation, the first time you launch Antigravity, you'll go through a quick initial setup wizard. You can import settings from VS Code or Cursor, or choose to start fresh. The default dark mode theme is highly recommended. Next, select your preferred development mode. Agent-assisted requires your approval for major changes, while agent-driven offers more autonomy for turbo mode development. You must sign in with a personal Google account to access the powerful Gemini 3 models that are core to the IDE's functionality. The final step involves installing necessary components to unlock the full agentic power of Antigravity. The IDE will prompt you to install core language extensions, like Python or TypeScript, based on your coding needs. Simply click Install when prompted. To allow the AI to browse the web and test your applications, you must install the Antigravity Chrome extension from the Web Store. To help you get started quickly, here are a few key shortcuts and features to boost your productivity. Use the Agent Manager view, accessed with Ctrl+E, to efficiently manage multiple AI agents working on different tasks simultaneously. Use CMD or Ctrl+L to open the side panel, allowing you to instantly chat with the AI about your current code file. When the AI generates artifacts, such as task lists or screen recordings, click on them to provide specific feedback without interrupting the AI's workflow. Since you have Antigravity installed and ready to go, you are all set. Before you begin, ensure you are in planning mode, found in the side panel chat toggle. This ensures the agent generates a task list and implementation plan for you to review before it writes any code. Let's test it by giving this prompt. Scaffold a Next.js 15 project with TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and shadcn/UI. Create a landing page for a fictional AI startup called CloudMind. Hit Enter to see the magic. To see your first stunning landing page, open Terminal and use npm run dev command as described, or just click on localhost link. We have successfully created our first complete web application. You can give more prompts to Agent to add functionality to the app without writing any code, and if you run into an error, just ask Agent to correct it. Okay, the catch, because there's always a catch. Rate limits. Free users get weekly limits. Heavy coding for 2-3 hours? You might hit a wall. Google AI Pro at $20 a month gets you higher limits that refresh every 5 hours. But right now, today, this is the best free AI coding tool that exists. 7 models. Claude Opus 4.5 included. Multi-agent workflows. Browser testing. Free. Try it. Break it. Tell me what you think. See you in the next one.